Hi, my name's Amanda Joyce, and I want to talk about climate change being a real issue. Don't be fooled by fools. When Trump was president, he opened up more than half of the Tongass National Rainforest to logging and drilling for oil. This is an example of human-caused climate change. Does he not care about our future? Sounds extremely inconsiderate and self-centered to me. Our rainforests are necessary for survival. Another example of climate change is Louisiana. Louisiana's land is sinking an average of an inch every 3 years. It is devastating to think there may not be a Louisiana one day because of land loss. Imagine a world without polar bears, penguins, seals, and beautiful coral reef. The rapid depletion of sea ice is due to warming climate and is the single greatest threat to polar bears' overall survival. Loss of sea ice threatens the bears' main prey, seals, which need the ice to raise their young. Within the past 10 to 15 years, the coral cover has been found to decline from an average of greater than 60% to around 20%. If we stay on our current pathway, we are going to see rapid change to a world that looks nothing like the world we grew up in, within our lifetime and within our children's lifetime. Whereas if we can wean ourselves off all this carbon, the world will look like a very different place, a place where animals like the polar bear have the time and ability they need to adapt. It is not just about the polar bear, though. It is about us, about our agricultural systems, our energy systems, and our water systems having the time to adapt to make sure that we as humans will be okay. I wanted to talk about renewable energy. Biomass refers to organic material from three plants or animals. Hydropower is one of the oldest renewable resources and has been used for thousands of years. With hydropower, the mechanical energy from flowing water generates electricity. Hydroelectric power plants use the flow of rivers and streams to turn a turbine to power a generator, releasing electricity. Geothermal energy comes from the heat generated deep within the Earth's core. Wind energy generates electricity by turning wind turbines. Radiation from the sun can be used as a power source as well, and photovoltaic cells can be used to convert the solar energy into electricity. So we need to work together and make a change for the benefit of our future. It is said that someone being disappointed in you is worse than someone being upset at you. Let us not be a disappointment. Global warming is real and serious issue. Stay cool and stop global warming today. One planet, one chance. We need to work together to grow together. Stop CO2 now.